Handling tough job site tasks feels easier with WeHa, bringing everything from precision electric screwdrivers to rugged storage and specialized hand tools into one solid lineup. Each pick is built to speed things up, cut down effort, and deliver clean results without the guesswork. Whether you're experienced or just getting started, WeHa tools are made to keep your workflow smooth, efficient, and dependable. Precision and control reach a new level with the WeHa TorqueVario-S series, designed for pros who demand exact fastening every time. Adjustable torque settings are easy to read, letting you dial in just the right force, while an audible and tactile click confirms when the target is reached, preventing over-tightening. SoftFinish handles keep your hands comfortable even during long sessions. For electricians, insulated slimline models meet strict safety standards, and ESD safe versions protect sensitive electronics during delicate work. Every WeHa TorqueVario-S tool combines accuracy, safety, and ergonomic comfort, making precise torque control effortless across a wide range of applications. Speed and accuracy take center stage with WeHa original color-coded nut setters, built for pros facing tough construction jobs. Bright color coding makes it easy to grab the right size instantly, cutting down wasted time. Strong, rare earth magnetic tips hold fasteners securely even in tricky positions, so you can work faster without drops or slips. Designed for high torque, each nut setter handles up to 700 inch-pounds, making them perfect for impact drivers. Made from chromium molybdenum steel with a black oxide finish, they resist corrosion and stand up to heavy use. Precision tips and rounded corners reduce cam out and protect fasteners, giving reliable performance on every job. The WeHa original color-coded nut setters combine durability, control, and efficiency in one professional kit. Cleaning up conduit edges gets quick and easy with the WeHa SoftFinish Conduit Reamer, made for smooth and safe installs every time. It removes rough edges from inside and outside of common conduit sizes, helping protect wire insulation and ensure a clean fit. You can use it by hand with the comfortable grip for better control, or attach it to a drill to speed things up. A smart slotted tip design helps reduce slipping when working on tight fittings. Built from strong tool steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, the WeHa SoftFinish Conduit Reamer is ready for tough repeat use without losing precision. Compact and rugged, WeHa GoBox bit sets keep essential tools within reach for pros and DIYers alike. Pocket-sized metal cases make them easy to carry anywhere, while specialized kits cover everything from standard fastening to tamper-resistant security screws. Many sets include a 72-tooth reversible mini ratchet, perfect for working in tight spaces without slowing down. Heavy-duty Terminator Blue impact bits last up to 120 times longer thanks to torsion-stabilizing technology. And precision microbit sets with PicoFinish handles handle delicate electronics safely. ESD safe versions protect sensitive components, giving versatility across every task. WeHa GoBox bit sets are all about portability, durability, and precision in one compact package. Double ring ratchet wrench 4 sizes in one make tough fastening simple with the WeHa double ring ratchet wrench, combining 10, 13, 17, and 19 mm profiles in a compact design. Each end features 2 profiles, while a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism provides a tiny 5-degree return angle for smooth, continuous work in tight spaces. Switching between right and left rotation is effortless, letting you tighten or loosen bolts quickly without removing the wrench. WeHa double ring ratchet wrench is ideal for confined spots where precision and efficiency matter most. Precision and speed come together with the WeHa Speedy Pocket Drive, a compact tool built for electricians and plumbers. Dual power settings handle delicate tasks at 1 Nm or tougher jobs at 5 Nm without damaging materials. 6 integrated LEDs light up tight or dark spaces for clear, shadow-free work. Pocket-sized and lightweight, it fits comfortably in hand for overhead or mobile jobs. A magnetic bit holder keeps fasteners secure, and the rechargeable 3.7-volt battery charges easily via USB. WeHa Speedy Pocket Drive delivers portability, power, and precision in one versatile solution. Tool organization gets smart and mobile with the WeHa GoStack storage system, designed for professionals who need efficiency on the move. Multiple cases stack and lock securely, keeping tools organized and easy to reach. Internal bit holders lift out quickly, streamlining a lift, grab, go workflow. Heavy-duty screwdriver bits undergo heat treatment to last up to 200 times longer than standard bits, while impact-rated nut setters with strong magnets and a secure socket adapter handle tough fastening tasks. Compact and modular, WeHa GoStack lets you carry, access, and protect all your essential tools with ease, making it ideal for demanding jobs on site. Color-coded and built for serious torque, WeHa soft grip T-handle hex keys make tough fastening jobs feel smooth and controlled. Soft, dual material grips sit comfortably in your hand and stay firmly in place even under pressure. A blade-through handle design lets you apply high force without flex, while the handle size matches the blade for better leverage. Switching between tasks is easy with a standard hex end for power and a ball end that works at angles up to 25 degrees, perfect for tight spots. Precision machined steel with a black oxide finish adds strength and corrosion resistance, so WeHa soft grip T-handle hex keys stay reliable job after job. Tackling fasteners in tight or awkward spaces becomes effortless with the WeHa MagicRing ball end hex L key set. Its standout feature, the MagicRing, is a durable steel spring built into the ball end that grips screws securely, letting you manage fasteners with just one hand. The ball end design adds extra versatility, allowing users to turn screws at angles up to 25 degrees, making even hard-to-reach fasteners accessible without awkward maneuvering. Keys are stored in a smart ErgoStar holder that lets you rotate the largest key to fan out the others at 90-degree angle for quick, hassle-free selection. Each key is clearly marked for size, reducing guesswork and speeding up workflow. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the compact and organized design make the set easy to carry. The WeHa MagicRing Ball End Hex L key set is a game-changer for precise, efficient fastening anywhere. Versatility meets smart design with the WeHa SoftFinish 11-in-1 multi-driver, built to handle a wide range of fastening tasks without slowing you down. A cushioned grip keeps things comfortable and controlled, while flat sides stop it from rolling off your workspace. Strength is not an issue, thanks to a chrome-coated steel shaft that also works as a nut driver for 3 common sizes. Swapping between jobs feels effortless with multiple tip options packed into one compact setup, covering Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square. Each tip is made for a precise fit to reduce slipping, so the WeHa SoftFinish 11-in-1 multi-driver keeps every turn clean and efficient. Cutting tough materials feels effortless with the WeHa BiCut compound cutters, thanks to a clever push-button mechanism that instantly doubles your cutting power. Standard tasks like trimming wires are easy, and a simple press switches to high power mode for nails, screws, and metal chains. 3 handle options cover every need: a classic grip for everyday use, an ergonomic industrial grip for comfort during heavy work, and a VDE-rated industrial electric version for safe electrical jobs. The BiCut function gives a serious mechanical advantage, letting you slice through stubborn materials without straining. WeHa BiCut compound cutters make demanding cuts faster, safer, and far more efficient, all in one versatile tool. Accuracy meets efficiency with the WeHa crimp tool, designed for MC4 solar connectors and essential for solar panel installations. It works with common wire sizes of 2.5, 4, and 6 square millimeters, giving consistent, reliable crimps. An auto-adjust feature automatically sets the right pressing pressure, protecting connectors and wires while ensuring perfect connections. A clear design offers full visibility of the crimp process, and an emergency unlocking mechanism adds safety. Ergonomic anti-slip handles provide a secure grip and comfort during long jobs on rooftops or tricky spots. WeHa crimp tool makes solar wiring precise, safe, and effortless. Switch things up fast with the Wiha Tools Drive Lock System 4, built for flexibility without slowing you down. Swappable slotted, Phillips, and Torx blades snap in easily, so you're always ready for the next task. Drive lock technology lets you adjust the blade length to match your comfort or reach tight spots with ease. A solid locking system keeps everything secure during use, giving you steady control without worrying about slips. Compact and easy to carry, the Wiha Tools Drive Lock System 4 fits right into any setup, whether you're handling detailed electronics or everyday fastening jobs. Handling delicate electronics gets a lot safer with the WeHa 10-piece ESD Tweezer Set, built to protect sensitive components from static damage. Each tweezer in the set is anti-static, giving you peace of mind while working on fragile circuits. A sturdy metal case keeps all 10 pieces organized and ready to go. Different tip styles make precision work easier, from fine point handling to ultra-detailed tasks that demand total control. Whether you're repairing or assembling, the WeHa 10-piece ESD Tweezer Set gives you the accuracy and protection needed for clean, reliable results every time. Comfort and control come together perfectly with the WeHa SoftFinish screwdrivers, built for long hours without wearing out your hands. The soft grip handle feels natural and steady, letting you apply strong, consistent torque with less effort. Tough tool steel construction keeps everything durable, while precision tips fit fasteners cleanly to reduce slipping and damage. Added protection from corrosion-resistant finishes helps these drivers last even longer on demanding jobs. Designed for serious users in mind, WeHa SoftFinish screwdrivers deliver reliable performance whether you're on site or in the workshop. Carrying hex keys on the go gets simple with the WeHa PocketStar fold-out hex key set, compact at just 4.7 inches to fit in any pocket or pouch. A smart push-button extractor lifts each key effortlessly, giving instant access to the size you need. 9 SAE keys, ranging from 5/64 to 1/4 inch, are clearly marked for quick identification. The sturdy polymer handle protects the keys and provides a secure, comfortable grip while working. WeHa PocketStar makes fast, precise fastening portable and hassle-free for professionals anywhere. Delicate fastening tasks feel effortless with the WeHa PicoFinish precision screwdrivers, perfect for electronics, models, and drones. Cushioned dual-material handles offer comfort and precise control, while a hex finger grip and tapered design let you apply torque efficiently. A long, smooth-turning cap allows multiple hand positions for better accuracy, and clearly labeled tips make quick identification easy. Made from premium tool steel with precision machined tips, WeHa PicoFinish screwdrivers reduce cam out and protect fasteners, giving clean, reliable results every time. Carrying a full set of tools is effortless with the WeHa Redstripe 30-piece toolkit packed into a durable Vito Pro Pack Tech Pack backpack for hands-free convenience. The 30-piece kit includes color-coded inch and metric hex L keys, insulated lineman pliers with crimpers, and 6 SoftFinish screwdrivers in Phillips, slotted, and square tips for electrical work. A versatile SoftFinish 11-in-1 multi-driver covers multiple tasks in one tool, while the ergonomic backpack design makes moving across ladders, scaffolding, or long job sites comfortable. WeHa Redstripe gives technicians portability, organization, and essential tools all in one compact setup. Carrying and organizing tools has never been easier with the Wiha Tool Backpack, designed for mobile professionals who need durability and smart storage on the go. A waterproof, rigid base keeps the backpack upright, giving instant access to tools without tipping or spilling. Inside, over 77 storage options, including pockets, loops, and compartments, keep hand tools neatly organized and easy to find. A dedicated padded rear compartment secures laptops and other electronics, making it ideal for IT technicians, electricians, and field workers who need both tools and devices on hand. The exterior MOLLE webbing allows attachment of extra pouches, while the integrated GoStack system lets you stack and lock additional WeHa cases for even greater organization. Padded, breathable back panels and shoulder straps make carrying heavy loads comfortable for extended periods. WeHa Tool Backpack combines portability, protection, and professional-grade organization in one versatile solution. Tough jobs get a lot easier with WeHa Extra Heavy-Duty Screwdrivers. Built for strength and reliable performance, full tang construction runs from tip to handle, giving these tools exceptional durability, while a solid metal striking cap lets you hammer without worry. Hex-reinforced blades let you add extra torque with a wrench, perfect for loosening stubborn, rusted, or painted-over screws. The MicroFinish handles are textured and sandblasted to repel oil and moisture, keeping your grip secure even in wet or greasy conditions. Both lines come neatly organized in foam trays, so your tools stay protected and easy to find. Whether you're breaking loose tough fasteners or working in messy environments, WeHa Extra Heavy-Duty Screwdrivers deliver power, control, and durability in one solid package. Which WeHa tool grabbed your attention today? Drop your favorite in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe to catch more tool highlights and tips.